XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about gold against dollar. And before we start the hot video, yes, this is going to be very hot if you're a gold trader. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel for some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the Forex brokers if you want here. So check out these links, subscribe, like, it's all free. And let's come back to gold. And starting with the weekly, well, by the way, I'm going to give you thousands of dollars in this video for free if you are a gold trader. What do I mean by that is if you're trading with a good capital amount and you're doing gold trading, then today or maybe tomorrow or in next 48 hours from today, from right now, you will make thousands of dollars if you are trading with a good capital in gold. Okay, that's how I'm gonna give you the money. So let's start with the top down weekly. Weekly is we are up. Okay, so in gold we don't have to waste time in deciding what the trend is. In gold we know trend is up. Okay, so no point in wasting time. So weekly, we are up. Let's go back to daily. That's where we have the clear picture. Okay, that's where we're going to make so much money, baby. So right now, we are in the hotspot zone. Those people who were panicking last week, in last 10 days, that, oh, we're going down, gold is going down. Nothing is going down. Gold is going to kick your ass, okay? So we have the rejection from the EMA here and the blue candle. Then the rejection again and the red candle. You know what? Here's your thousands and thousands of dollars right now for free. Let this previous red candle be eaten by the coming blue candles. Okay, so as soon, maybe this candle today or maybe some candle tomorrow, as soon this previous red candle is eaten by another blue candle today or tomorrow, whenever, okay, as soon this previous red candle is broken or eaten by the blue candle, enter your long position and then take your profit around 3290. Right now price is 3236. Enter somewhere here after this red candle is eaten at around, let's say, 3260. So if you can manage to enter at 3260, your first target profit should be 3290 or 3295. Okay, but if you're an intraday trader, let's go back to 4 hour for you. In 4 hour we are going to cross the EMA. Okay, so you have to wait for the blue candle to close above the EMA, break all the previous highs, then maybe you can wait for the retest of the EMA. That's where you will enter. Okay, otherwise we are getting a very strong signal from daily chart in gold, and even from the 4 hour you can see this was your downtrend, which is over now. Then we made a new high. This high is broken, new high is made, pull back, new high is made, pull back, we're gonna make a new high. Okay, so if you want to trade in 4 hour, look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour in gold. If you are a daily trader, swing trader, then if you know your numbers, how to manage the lot size in gold, and if you're good with your numbers, then wait for this previous high to be broken or previous red candle to be eaten by the blue one, and then take your profit at 3290 and then thank me later. I made it $1,000 just now. I'll see you in my next. Till then, subscribe, like, share the video.